Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at 97 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1, and this is Sailor Song. We're in 2/4, we're in the key of F. So any E's we have would be natural, except there are no E's as I look through it. And it has solo, soli at the beginning. So solo, one person. Soli would be a whole section, so all the trombones or all the saxophones, and then when it says tutti, that's all together where everyone comes in. When I teach a song like this in a full group setting, I usually pick a section to play, and we get to tutti and everyone comes in. And then when we do the repeat, I have another different group do it just to mix it up. And mostly that's a focus technique thing to make sure that the students who are playing are following along with their part. Those who aren't playing are following along and fingering along, even if they're not playing. And long story short, too late. And here we go, and 3 and 4, and except we only counted 2s, and 1 and 2 and 1 and. So this is number 98, Go for Excellence. We're in the key of B flat, so B's and E's are flat. And we have accents to watch out for, slurs, and repeat at the end, and also the song is This Old Man, so I'm sure that many of you who are listening to this will be familiar with that song. Alright, so we're looking at number 98, This Old Man. Key of B flat, so B's and E's are flat. One measure repeat sign in the second measure, and then a repeat at the end, and then watch your slurs in that carefully. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.